Hope you're doing well. Welcome back to a video. Today I wanted to share with you an healthy, realistic but productive day in my life. I have a lot of things to get done today and I work for my corporate job as well. It's going to show you how I achieve to get protein in my diet even though I am busy. And also one thing that I'm really excited about is that I got the Alo Yoga app for a workout on my lunch break. I've never tried any Alo Yoga, so this is going to be a first and I'm really excited to see what it entails and what it looks like, and obviously, you know, I'm going to share it with you guys. Yeah, that's the plan for today. So the house is a hot mess. That's one thing that I also have to get done, but first I need to go and see what I have to do for my corporate job this morning, look at my emails, reply to the emergencies that might have occurred during the night. No, I'm kidding. I wanted to bring you guys along and have a great day with you. So let's get this day started. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe. Cheers. It's almost 11 a.m. and I decided to take a break in between two projects just to go on the Alo Move app and see what the app entails and what is the workout that I'd like to do on my lunch break. So I don't know if they have Pilates. That's the kind of workout that I'd love to do today. So I'm trying to figure out how I can redeem this offer. Okay, so I'm on the app right now and I see that they have Pilates, cardio, signature, 30 minutes. It seems like they do have Pilates, so that's a good thing, but hopefully I can find a way to get the app that I'm supposed to have for 30 days before lunch break. So I'm gonna write to their client service and see what the deal is. All right, so I'm back and I chose this workout. So it's the Pilates Tone and Swift workout. It's 31 minutes. It includes resistance band. So that's what we are going to do in 40 minutes. I cannot wait to try it out. It's noon and I am ready to go and try the Alo Yoga workout, the Pilates workout that I showed you earlier. For the gym fit, I have this Crazy Yoga white bra top in white. Per usual, if you are interested in Crazy Yoga, I have a discount code PIVIN10 if you want to support my channel or if you want to get yourself something on their website. On the bottom, I have these leggings from Vitality in this light blue color. So let's go and get this workout started. Just finished the Pilates workout from the Alo app, the Alo Move app. It was great. Like I said in another video, I don't think that anything is going to be as challenging for me as the Forma Pilates workout, but nonetheless I enjoyed it. And obviously it's the first workout that I did on this app, so I'm pretty sure that there are ones that are more challenging, but I enjoyed it. It was really great. The instructor was really good at giving the proper cues. But now it's time to make my lunch because I am starving. I am going to make my usual yogurt berry ball that I do every single day. I'm not gonna go into details on how I do it because I feel like that might be redundant for you guys because that has been done so many times on my channel already. Two main ingredients, yogurt and berries. I'm probably just gonna relax and watch some YouTube for the remaining of my lunch break. All right, so I worked out, I ate, took a shower. I'm about to do my protein shake mixture thing. I add a bubbly to that because this is so sweet. I cannot stomach having this on its own. And this morning when I tried to start the Roomba, there was no battery left, so that is also something that I am going to do right now. I took out the trash, worked, because obviously it's a work day for me. So the plan for this afternoon is finishing my work day. Then I want to upload this video footage on my MacBook. I also have an appointment at 5. I should be seeing you later today when it's dinner time. I'm going to take a mai out of the freezer because I want to have that with a coleslaw salad-ish thing. I'm going to improvise. Let's have a protein shake and go back to work. I want to start laundry as well. Probably gonna do that while I'm uploading footage later on this evening. Literally just got back home. Now it's time to whip something up for dinner. I have mai. I am going to make a coleslaw salad with Greek yogurt, and we are gonna find out. I don't know, I don't have any recipe, just putting stuff together, and it should be good. That is it, you guys. I'm going to conclude this vlog here. My daughter is in her bed. My husband is taking a shower. I am enjoying this tea. I'm not planning on eating anything else tonight. I am going to do some editing, watch maybe an episode of The Crown. Then I'm going to go and read my book in bed, and that's going to be it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it really supports my channel and myself as a content creator. And if you're new here, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe because I'd love to have you guys with me for the next video, and I post new video every single week. Have a great day, you guys, and I will see you in my next one. Love you. Bye bye.